Hello, is this?
Yeah, but okay.
Uh, I'm calling out of the blue, but I don't have anything to sell to you. Can I take 20 seconds to tell you what is the reason for my call?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, sure, appreciate it. So actually, we are from town here in Pennsylvania, and we are looking to. Are you someone who is looking forward to possible career growth moving forward? Is that an open loop for you by any chance?
No, so if you could tell me, sorry, you said your name is?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
No, so what's your name?
My name is Subra.
Subra. So
Yeah.
which company are you from?
No, we're a brokerage here in, and we are looking to connect with more LOs who might be open to exploring options to maybe improve or change where they are
So
at right.
tell me, if you could give me some details around that, which states are all you have access to and where you can give me the sponsorship and all that, and what your commercial model is. In terms
Of course, of
spread,
course.
something that
I
you could
mean,
tell me that.
of course. I mean, see, the best source will be like you speaking with our vice president, right? That's the next step, anyways. Can I ask a question? Like, what specifically are you ideally looking forward to if there is a conversation like that possible? What would be the most priority for you to have to be there?
Priority will be the right access to different states. So the target market for me is obviously Pennsylvania, and then
Mhm.
New Jersey, North
Mhm.
Carolina, and
North Carolina. Texas. Okay. I mean, the area that we cover, Pennsylvania and J, of course, and then of course next is Delaware and Ohio. That's what we are looking forward to.
Okay.
So I think growth is definitely something that we are also explosively, looking forward. So I think this might be something that you can look forward to. You are right now licensed in which state specifically? Just Pennsylvania, or?
I am licensed in Pennsylvania and I have already applied for New Jersey as well. Just that, yeah, I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I give you like a brief overview about like what we are trying to provide like as a value aspect for you guys to even have a
Yeah. Absolutely.
yeah. Sure. So, first of all, we are to kind of like get back to the loan volume that you used to do in 2021, if you remember, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, something. I mean, we are extensively looking forward to helping you guys grow so that we can both grow in the process together, if that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah.
Would that be a bad idea for you to maybe have a opening call with our vice president, our branch manager, so that you can see what is possible for you looking forward, and then you guys can see if it makes sense to explore further steps.
I'm okay to talk. Just that you mentioned compensation up at this point, so that
Yeah.
I don't think that number itself is good enough to excite me, because in this market it is very difficult to even get that kind of margin. So the kind of competition we have, particularly in with Indian customers, it is very difficult to have that kind of margin. I don't know what margin do you guys usually play around. And
No, of course.
what will
See,
you expect? So if you say that you can offer me up to points, but what is usually your take? Means when we talk about closing a deal, then what will
Yeah.
be the split? Forget about giving me a 200 basis point, because not every deal we will be able to close at the margin.
Of course.
So,
It's like, yes. No, I totally understand your point of view. I think that's a very valid question that you just put forward. What I can do, see, I'm not the person who actually decides this, right? Of course you understand. I'm just someone who's just an assistant trying to see if this is a good match for you guys. What I can do is I can prioritize this question to our vice president, and then you can also look at the company website and stuff before you guys hop on. And on the call, you can directly ask them about this. I think you guys will have a better chance of clarifying this instead of me trying to give you, half information, because to be honest, I'm not equipped to give you the proper information on it, if it makes sense.
yeah, that's okay. And you said the name of the brokerage is.
Yeah. I will share the website with you as well so that you can just do some digging there.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a time when you can hop on, and then I will schedule this right away, give you the confirmation.
I can talk even later this afternoon, maybe around say 2:33 p.m. if he is available.
2:33 p.m. Let me see.
3 p.m. actually. Yeah, anytime after 3 it will be good.
What, 3 p.m.?
Actually, 3 p.m. will be better. So 3 p.m., 3:30. Yeah, anytime.
3:30. All right. Oh, sorry. I think we have a call at 3. We have a call with the realtor program that I told you about. We have a call with a realtor in 3 p.m. Can you do maybe 4 p.m.?
Yeah, 4 is good too. Yeah, no problem.
Is you sure? Like anything coming up before, at 4 p.m. that might be a roadblock for you to hop on?
No. 4 p.m. is good. We can talk.
Okay. 4 p.m. is good, right? So, all right. So let me do this. After this call, I'll give you a confirmation, and then at 4 p.m. you guys can hop on, and I'll try to be there on the call as well. But anyways, I'll communicate the point that you wanted to point out. Okay?
Sure. That's good. Yeah.
Okay. Amazing. Nice talking to you. I'm looking forward to you guys having the conversation. Thanks.
Same here. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.